Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Stickman animation. So, first things you're going to need is Sticknodes Pro. I'll tell you why you're going to need the Pro version. Okay, let me undo everything. Okay. Later in the video, so what you're gonna need, but if you're like a beginner, you're not gonna know what to do. So the first things first, you want to put on tweening, which is like above library tools. And then what you're gonna need to do is press and go to library tools, which is all the way on the bottom, and then you want to press import figure and then find floor.sticknodes and then press import and then press add figure and make your guy stepping on the floor or standing. And then you want to go a little up from library tools, and then you need to put on you need to go to onion skin and put it in front. For some reason it works for me putting it in front, but some people putting it in the back works. For me, putting it in front works. And then you want to press add frame in the top right corner. And then you could move your Stickman's limbs. Like if you want him to do a simple thing is saying hi. You like and make him go like this. This doesn't really look like anything. I try to make him do like one of those things. It's like, let me see it. It just looks like he's face palming. Or we can do him face palming. We can make him face palm. Alright. And then what you want to do. So every limb you move, you need to add frame. But you don't need to add frame. You don't need to add frame if you're moving it in a place that it needs to go. Like if you're like this, like okay. If you put it like this, you're ready, and then add frame. But if you're not ready, you don't just want to keep on pressing add frame while you move your thing. So I'm gonna make my guy jump. There's a lot of explaining there. Make my guy jump though, so make him jump. I'm gonna make him. I'm getting a little. Also, you could zoom in if you need to. If you're having trouble grabbing the limbs of your guy and moving them. I don't know, I'm really not good at when they start, like, there. And I'm gonna make him jump. Boom, boom. I'm not gonna make him too off the screen. I'm gonna put him down. And make it go like this. some reason I just like the characters like going like this. Okay, that's gonna work. I like them going like this. For some reason, I just do. And you press add frame a bunch of times. You can do it a bunch of times, and then you could look at it. Okay, this is why tweening is on, so it doesn't look like this. Because tweening off, it looks like this, and tweening on, it looks like this. So tweening is pretty good. So the reason why you need that pro version, because if you're gonna post it on like YouTube, oh yeah, it's still, and you could stop it, and then also if you're gonna post it on YouTube, you need to press export MP4. And if you don't have the pro version, you cannot do that. You cannot export it to MP4. So if you're going to post it to YouTube, you need to make the width 1280 by 720. Well, you're going to need to make the width 1280. You're going to need to make the height 720. And then you could put your animation title. I'll do that. And then if you don't have any sounds, and I'll show you how to put on sounds later. So if you don't have any sounds, you're gonna want to export MP4 no sounds. And then once it's done, you could go to photos and then press and then you will see it there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time.